Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a dashboard in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually create a report because every single dashboard you see here is a report. So from the left hand panel, click on analytics right here. And then what I want you to do, you'll see all your reports here. You can go ahead and create your own report. So you just come here at the top right, click on new report, and then just go ahead and add your charts. Or you can even use the gallery here for templates for pre-built widgets depending on what you want to achieve. Let's say things related to sales activities. You just go ahead and drag and drop and assign the values. But once you're done with your report and you have saved it, you can name this anything you want. So let's say example report, and then we'll go ahead and save it. Now it will actually show up right here under all your reports. And what I'll do, I'll create a dashboard using copy of sales trends, which was another report I created. So you come here to dashboards, and then you click on the plus icon to add your report. And then here you'll see all the reports you have. So I'll just use copy of sales trends, and then it should show up right here in my dashboard, as you can see. And that is how to build a dashboard in Freshsales.